Indian economy is broadly classified into primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors, each playing a vital role in the national economic development. The primary sector includes agriculture and allied activities, while the secondary sectors cover manufacturing and industry. The tertiary sector comprises services like banking, education, and healthcare. These primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors of the Indian economy are independent and collectively drive employment, GDP growth, and infrastructural development, making them essential for India's inclusive and sustainable economic progress. India's economy is shifting from conventional industry to knowledge-driven sectors driven by the accelerating pace of technological innovation and expanding influence of globalization. Sectors of Indian economy. Sectors of Indian economy are categorized into three primary divisions: the primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors. Each sector plays a pivotal role in shaping the nation's economic landscape and is crucial for sustainable development. Primary sector. The primary sector involves the extraction and production of natural resources including agriculture, forestry, fishing, and mining, and remains crucial for rural employment despite its declining share in GDP, currently around 16 to 17%. With the rise of blue economy, especially in marine and fishery development, thus this sector is being reimagined for sustainable resource use. Secondary sector. The secondary sector encompasses manufacturing, construction, and industry that transform raw materials from the primary sector into finished goods, contributing about 28 to 30% to India's GDP and supporting urbanization and infrastructure growth. Initiative promoting green economy principles are pushing this sector towards cleaner production, renewable energy use, and emission reduction. Tertiary sector. The tertiary sector or service sector includes banking, education, healthcare, IT, transport, and tourism, and has emerged as the largest contributor to the economy, accounting for nearly 55 to 60% of GDP. Integration of the digital economy, especially through platforms and fintechs, has amplified growth and innovation in this sector. In addition to these, the quaternary sector, knowledge-based activities like research and information and communication technology, and culinary sector, high-level decision-making roles in government and NGOs, are gaining importance in the modern economy. Evolution of Indian economy. Over the decades, India has witnessed a significant shift from agriculture to industry and services, reflecting modernization and urbanization. However, challenges such as high unemployment rate, skill gaps, and infrastructure deficits remain. The balanced growth of all sectors, integration of technology, and sustainable practices are vital for India's future economic progress. Primary sector of Indian economy. The primary sector includes businesses that extract and harvest natural resources from the earth. Primary sector companies typically engage in economic activity that makes use of earth's natural resources, which are then sold to consumers or commercial businesses. Primary sector role. The primary sector is foundational to India's rural economy, involving industries that processes and package raw materials. Key activities include mining, fishing, quarrying, agriculture, forestry, and hunting, which are essential for basic economic functions. An example of the primary sector is agriculture, where farmers cultivate crops like rice, wheat, and vegetables directly from natural resources. Emerging versus developed economies. Emerging economies like India have a higher concentration of employment in the primary sector. In contrast, developed countries use advanced machinery and technology, reducing manual labor in primary sector activities. Contribution of primary sector to GDP. In financial year 24-25, the primary sector contributed 19.7% to India's nominal GDP, with a growth rate of 4.4% in real GVA compared to the previous year. Workforce dependency. Despite contributing less to GDP, the primary sector remains a major source of employment, engaging over 40% of India's total workforce. This highlights the sector's role in providing livelihoods, especially in rural areas. Secondary sector of Indian economy. The secondary sector encompasses activities in which natural products are transformed into new forms through methods of manufacturing commonly associated with industrial activity. Role. It is the next stage after the primary sector. The product cannot be produced by nature and must be manufactured, so some manufacturing processes is required. An example of the secondary sector is a manufacturing plant that produces automobiles by transforming raw materials like steel and rubber into finished cars. Activity included. The secondary sector includes the following businesses activities: automobile production, textile, chemical engineering, aerospace, shipbuilding, and energy utilities. Contribution of secondary sector to GDP. The secondary sector contributed 25.3% to India's nominal GDP in financial year 24-25 with a year-on-year growth rate of 6.1% in real GDP. Tertiary sector of Indian economy. The tertiary sector, also known as the service sector, is the largest and fastest growing sector of the Indian economy. Tertiary activities. Tertiary activities involve both production and exchange. The production process includes the provision of services that are consumed. Wages and salaries serve as an indirect measure of output. Exchange refers to trade, transportation, and communication facilities that are used to overcome distance. Service-based output. Tertiary activities involve the commercial output of service rather than the production of tangible goods. They do not directly participate in the processing of physical raw materials. Examples. Common examples include the jobs of a plumber, electrician, technician, launderer, barber, shopkeeper, driver, cashier, teacher, doctor, lawyer, and publisher. Tertiary versus secondary activities. The main difference is that tertiary services rely more on specialized skill, experience, and knowledge, while secondary activities focus on production techniques, machinery, and factory processes. Tertiary sector contribution to GDP. The tertiary sector contributed 55% to India's nominal GDP in financial year 24-25 with a year-on-year growth rate of 7.2% in real GDP, indicating its continued dominant role in the economy despite a slight slowdown. Quaternary sector. The quaternary sector includes companies that engage in intellectual activities and pursues intellectual services. Technological advancement like artificial intelligence and innovation are common in the quaternary sector. Research and development. This sector includes research and development that leads to process improvements such as in manufacturing. Evolution from tertiary sector. Companies and firms in the quaternary sector were traditionally part of the tertiary sector. However, as the knowledge-based economy expanded and technology advanced, a new sector emerged. Role of IT and innovation. Firms in the quaternary sector use information and technology to innovate and improve processes and services, resulting in increased economic development. Key activities. Firms within the quaternary sectors might be engaged in the following business activities: research and development, information technology, education, and consulting services. Culinary sector. The culinary sector in India represents the highest level of decision making and includes top level executives, government officials, policy makers, and leaders in sectors such as education, healthcare, research, and culture. Role. This sector focuses on services that involve creating, interpreting, and managing knowledge as well as direct large organizations and institutions in India. The culinary sector plays a crucial role in shaping economic policies, driving innovation, and promoting social development. With the country's growing emphasis on the knowledge economy and digital transformation, the importance of this sector is rapidly increasing. Key contributors include university leaders, senior government administrators, scientists, and senior managers who influence national and global decision-making processes. Increasing importance. As India progresses in technology and economic development, the culinary sector will play a crucial role in driving growth, particularly with the rapid expansion of the digital economy. Other sectors in India's economy. Apart from the primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors, India's economy can also be classified based on work conditions and asset ownership, providing a comprehensive understanding of the diverse structure of India's economy based on work conditions. Organized and unorganized sector. The organized sector includes formal regulated industries that comply with labor laws, maintain proper records, and provide regular salaries and social security benefits. Examples are government offices, public sector undertakings, and large private corporations. In contrast, the unorganized sector comprises informal activities, often lacking job security, stable income, and legal protection. Workers here generally experience irregular employment and limited access to social benefit, yet this sector contributes significantly to national income. Based on asset ownership, public and private sector. The public sector consists of enterprises owned and managed by the governments such as Indian Railway, Defence Services and Public Bank. These entities aim to provide essential services rather than focus solely on profit. The private sector, on the other hand, is made up of businesses owned by individuals or groups ranging from small enterprises to multinational corporations and operates mainly for profit generation and innovation. India's shift from primary to service sector. India's economic structure has witnessed a remarkable shift from the primary sector dominated by agriculture directly to the service sector, bypassing the typical intermediate industrial phase. In the 1970s, agriculture contributed around 40% to gross value added, but by 2024, its share had fallen to less than a fifth, while services now account for about 55% of the economy. According to the Economic Survey 2024-25, the service sector contribution to India's gross value added increased from 50.6% in financial year 14 to 55.3% in financial year 25, growing at an average rate of 8.3% between financial year 23 and financial year 25. This transformation is driven by several factors: advancement in technology, the rise of IT and outsourcing, a large English-speaking workforce, and favorable government policies. The service sector, including IT, finance, healthcare, and tourism, has become the key growth engine, generating millions of jobs, boosting exports, and attracting foreign investment. However, the transition has not been uniform across the population. While urban areas benefit from high productivity, better paying service jobs, and a significant portion of the rural population still depends on agriculture, leading to underemployment and regional disparities. The manufacturing sector's slow growth due to regulatory hurdles and infrastructure challenges had limited its ability to absorb surplus agricultural labor. Despite these challenges, the expansion of the service sector has improved national income, living standards, and global economic integration, making it a defining feature of India's modern economic landscape.